What's good, people? The pandemic has limited the travel we can do and are comfortable with doing. But sometimes we need a change of scene. I was looking for a nice getaway that wasn't too far from NYC, and I stumbled upon this cool little cabin / hotel. It's called a Tiny House Resort. You stay inside a tiny cabin that has everything you need, from a place to sleep, cook, eat, and shower. The cabins are temperature controlled, so you don't have to worry about keeping warm in the winter or cool in the summer. They also have an electric fireplace, which is really nice and sets the mood. They have multiple cabins to choose from, but I stayed in the one called Little Bear. Outside, you get your own little patio with a table, grill, gazebo, and even a fire pit. And if you didn't bring your own wood, that's cool. You can buy some right there on the property and simply Venmo the property owners. They have restaurants nearby if you don't want to make your own food, but doing this won't allow you to disconnect. So I really recommend you bring in your own food, as this will allow you to not leave the property and really enjoy the surroundings. As the name suggests, your cabin will be a tiny house, so space is limited. Now, this isn't a problem, as this is what sold the whole concept. This is the whole point of this place. Being in a tiny little space made things intimate and private. It felt cozy and warm. Man, this place is really nice. I went in the winter, so there were less things to do, but they have a small hiking trail, a waterfall, a stream, a pool, and even a farm. They raise ducks, chickens, and goats. You can pet them and even go on a walk with them if you want. One thing that was cool is that they gave us half a dozen eggs that were laid right there on the property. The other great thing about Tiny House Resort is that it's pet friendly, so I brought Harley with me. She had an amazing time. Now, you can't let your dog off leash in the common areas, but they did have a dog park. These people really thought of everything. This spot is definitely not your typical hotel stay, and that's why it's awesome. There was something really special about having breakfast made with fresh eggs right in front of a beautiful scene. If you're in the area, I think this is a must do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and the subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.